So good evening my dear student, myself Dr Apil Sir. Also I am going to solve some numerical problem which are related to set theory. Okay, so hope this video also will be helpful for the students which are pursuing class 11 as well as question here, which of the following are the null sets. Okay, so they provide here 4 sets are here. Among these 4 sets just we need to find which are the null sets here. Okay, so you see the first question. Basically here today we will discuss about the exercise 1.2. Okay, so you see the first question here. The first question is that which of the following are the null sets. That means they provide some sets here. You see they provide 4 sets here. Among these 4 sets just we need to find which are the null sets. Okay guys, so already we have discussed about the null set. Just here I will try to recall the basic concept on null set here. What is null set? Null set is nothing, is a set which contain no element. Okay, that means a set which has no element is called null set. And set we do not like this, or we do not buy these samples phi or this one. Okay, so just to remember guys, here you see a set which has no element is called a null set. Okay, so come to the first collection or first set. You see here first set, the set of odd natural number divisible by 2. Yes, you see, is this one a null set or not? You see they collect all the odd natural number which is divisible by 2. Now question is that here, is there is any odd number which is divisible by 2? No guys, you see there is no such odd number which is divisible by 2. That means this collection will not contain any element. That means this collection will be empty. Yes, this collection will be empty. This collection will be empty. That means this is a null set. So this set will be a null set. Okay, so now come to second question here. If this is a set of even prime numbers. Yes, set of even prime numbers. So do you know this even prime numbers? Just you see these are the prime numbers. Yes, 2 3 5 7, yes, 11, these are the prime numbers. So just you see here they collect all even prime numbers. So among these even prime numbers which are even, here you see this 2 is an even number. So in the set 2, the set 2 will contain here these 2. Yes, these 2 will contain here because 2 is an even prime number. So now you see, is this set is empty or is this a null set? No, because there is an element. Yes, there is an element. So this is not an empty. Yes, now you see you come to question number 3. You see x is a natural number less than 5 and greater than 7. Yes, you see x is less than 5 and greater than 7. Guys, is there is any natural number exist which is less than 5 but greater than 7? Is it possible? No. That means this collection is also empty set because there is no such type of x. So this collection also will be empty. Yes, that means this question 3 will be the null set or empty set. Okay, now come to question number 4. Here you see y is a point common to any two parallel lines. So if you draw any two parallel lines, you see any parallel lines, if you take any parallel lines, this type of lines. Now you observe here any common points are there. Suppose if we consider these two lines, is these two lines have any common point? No. You see there is no such type of common point will exist. That means this collection also will be empty because there is no common point in two parallel lines. Okay, that means this is also will be empty. So this set will be empty. Yes, this third set also will be empty. First set also will be empty. Just only the second set. Yes, this second set will not be empty. So hope all of you can solve this type of question. Yes, so thank you.